It's 15 degrees out, so we tried to super cool some water bottles. Let's see what we got. All right, that one's frozen solid. That one's, oh, here's one. This one's frozen solid. That one's still liquid. Should we give it a shake?
That one?
This one right here is still liquid. So I think when we give it a little shake, it's gonna freeze like magic. There it goes, there it goes. See?
Shake it more.
No, look, it's freezing from top to bottom.
Whoa.
We did it.
Whoa.
It was super cold water overnight. There's mostly ice now. It's not rock solid. But as you can see, it froze. Really cool, huh?
Mm-hmm.